So I started my weight loss journey with Preeti Gupta around 1.5 months back, and it's been a great journey so far because I can literally see visible results in terms, of course, of weight loss and also in terms of me being more active. My PCOD symptoms stand may it be like my mood swings, my acne, and all of that, and also my thyroid's in check because she does customize the diet plans as per your body concerns, your medical history, your medications, everything is taken into account. She does this in the most natural manner. It's all very organic stuff that we eat in our day-to-day life as well, and which actually show visible results. So it's been almost 1.5 months since I started this diet with her, and there as well, she's given me personalized diet charts for per day, like in a week, like it's on a weekly basis. Like तो उस week में एक एक दिन का क्या खाना है, everything is clear. She's literally curated a diet chart even for my entire trip. She's kept in mind that obviously I'll not get certain things, and you know what I can take from there and what I can buy here, and just make simple khana, not spend too much time in the kitchen and still continue my diet. And the reason I want to continue this diet is not just because of the weight loss that I'm seeing, but also because it has reduced my PCOS symptoms like acne, mood swings. It has also got my thyroid into check, which is why I'm so thankful and grateful to her, because back in Bangalore, my body from any complications in the future. Like obviously by eating junk, and people who actually eat junk without thinking twice, which I was once upon a time guilty of it, but I've started realizing that what you put in now shows in the long term. It's not just the weight, but it's a lot of other things like cholesterol and stuff that show up later on, and because of that you get a lot of complications. So that is why I would highly recommend Preeti Gupta.